SPIS, the Flying Dragons. Ang Red Hitters, sila ang solid lead, rank number 1. So far. Mix for the service. Good serve.
Wala.
Number 16, it's error. Not over. First point for the Hitters. Are you Hitters? Riyadh Hitters. I think
Chance.
Tayo nga ako.
Oliver for the kill. Nice play by Oliver. Another point for Riyadh Hitters, 2-0.
JC for the service. Walang ball handler.
Good serve. Outside. 3-0.
Derecho.
Score 3-0 in favor of the Hitters. Check ball. 4-0.
Bin, bumla ka, Bin.
Nice kill by number 16 of SPIS. That makes our score 1 for SPIS and 4 for Riyadh Hitters. There's an early switching violation.
Sir, umangat na yung bola. Ref, umangat na po yung bola na ano. Sila. Pantay.
2-4.
Sige na.
Oops, not over. Another.
Iwas gigil.
Ako lang. Next up.
Score 4-3 in favor of Red Hitters. Oops, service error. Point for Red Hitters. Oliver for the service. Serve.
Holding.
Double.
Double violation. 6-3. It's an error. Another point for Red Hitters, 7-3.
Good.
It's outside to Mama dos Antena.
Outside daw.
Malayo sa antena.
Yaman na.
May signal.
Malayo ng antena eh.
Number 14 for of SPIS serve. Marvin. Jonah. Save. Hindi mo pala na-save yun.
Hindi naman tumama. Layo sa antena.
Ay, si Jerome. Service.
Ang tingin dapat nandito. Dapat nagtatawag kasi hindi ko sa
Oops, error.
tawag na.
Score 9-14, 9-4.
Yaman na sila. Magkano ito malaki.
5 points lead by Riyadh Hitters. Check ball. 10-4.
Go Hitters!
Continue to score.
Chance.
Oops, nagkahiyaan ng number 25 at number 16. 11-4.
Check ball.
Inside din.
Inside. 12-4. It's outside. Medyo parang may dalawang equipo siya. So 13-4.
Suya lang.
Strong serve. medyo hindi maganda sa receive. 14-4, 10-point lead by Riyadh Heaters.
Wala po bang panalo to?
Wala pa.
Okay. Oops, hindi pa na over. 15-4, 11-point lead by Riyadh Heaters. Let's see. Steal. Nice steal by number 8 of Riyadh Heaters. That is what you call a veteran build. Jerome. Good serve. 17-4.
Best server!
Ayan, inano na, hindi nakakanagal.
Diba na? It's outside.
Away pa din.
Sana nag-service.
Ilan daw yan? Kaya yan. Jerome.
She knows. Be!
Marvin!
Yun!
Oh, hindi na.
Nice one, Marbs!
At saka ano siya?
Dala mo, tatalak ka. Tamang nga.
First line na pala. Oops! Gusto hindi ako ha. Konti lang naman. So, 24. Kaya naman, maganda naman ang game. So far. Let's see.
Ayos lang,
Okay, set play ng Riyadh Heaters. Aljar.
Chansa, chansa!
Aljar.
Chansa!
Oops. Okay lang. Ganyan talaga yun. Oo. So, 21-4. Oh, ganyan doon naman. Fairness. Sabi sa inyo. So, diba? Points for SKIS. 5-21. Close to 8. Good service. Set play.
Bin!
Marvin.
Nice one, Be! Nice one! Outside!
Bin, kargaan mo, Bin,
Kargaan
ha?
mo, kargaan mo!
Huwag mo alagaan! Kargaan mo! Kargaan mo, huwag mo alagaan!
Masyadong bawal, Marvin.
Naku-curious sa unang service pala.
22-6. 23. Warning, 6. Warning, 6, ha? Hindi. Alger. Renica. Good. Oh, good. Hindi, out pala. Oh. Last one for Riyadh Heaters. Alger for the service. Apa? On the bird for the field. It's outside. 7-24.
Ang taray!
That's the end. Tinapos tayo.